Technix. Welcome to Technix, e-commerce site for manufacturing industry. Power on. Switch on the power button located on the left side of the station. The LED display will activate, showing the current status. Temperature control. Use the knob to set the required temperature, up to 450 degrees Celsius. Once the iron reaches the preset temperature, the display shows a blinking dot after the 3-digit temperature reading. The iron is now ready for soldering. Sleep mode. If the station remains idle for 15 minutes, it automatically enters sleep mode. This feature conserves electricity and extends the life of the soldering tip.